Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in prerequisites. Pick the major that matches your sim's traits and plan a GPA target. Distinguished usually needs the high end of the scale. Once enrolled, favor classes that award major credits and skill gains, those double pay for your degree. Set a study routine each in-game day. 1 hour of focused reading, 1 hour of practice, and time for homework. Make sure to use career or scholarship boosts when available to raise grade margins early. Now you move into the heavy lifting. You aggressively convert study time into measurable skill increases, read skill books, hire a tutor, and book library sessions to improve retention. Once done with lessons, finish every assignment several days before due dates so you can revise and resubmit if needed. Make sure to attend professor office hours and choose project options that leverage your sim's strengths, because projects graded on skills often swing a B to an A and keep your GPA. To complete a distinguished degree, you nail finals. Simulate exam conditions with practice tests, schedule a final review session, and buff your sim's focus and energy beforehand. Once done, ensure no missing assignments or penalties. Submit late work only when necessary. If something goes wrong and grades slip, don't panic. Replay critical assignments, retake the course next term, or apply grade-boosting interactions and scholarships. Make sure to save before finals so you can reload and correct mistakes if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.